as you begin to pay attention and observe those behaviors that you've demonstrated over and over again, and as you begin to notice and become aware of your emotional states, we turn on a part of the brain called the forebrain, the frontal lobe, which is really the crowning achievement of a human being. And this mindfulness, or what we call in neuroscience metacognition, that we can pay attention to who we're being, it means that we can modify our behavior to do a better job in life. So as people begin to observe those programs, it means now that they're no longer the program. They're the consciousness observing the program.
So start by observing it.
Start by observing, because it means then as you begin to observe it and not participate in it, then you're no longer causing the neurons to fire in the same patterns. And if you don't cause them to communicate, just like any relationship, if you break your communication, you break your bond.
As I've learned from your book, that frontal lobe is responsible for about 40% of the brain.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so it's
a large part of the brain.
It's what separates us from most other species. It's really, it's the CEO of the brain. Because we can modify our behaviors to do a better job in life, it means we can evolve our actions to become somebody else. Now, we have 3 brains in one. 3 brains that allow us to go from thinking to doing to being. Now, your thinking brain is called your neocortex. That's that walnut that sits on the outside with the folds and valleys.
Okay.
And that is the seat of your conscious awareness. Every time